I wanted some carrot powder for a quick recipe, so I called to buy. And guess what a kg of carrot powder is? 35,000 naira. Since it is my feed and it's something I can do, I decided to go to market to buy some fresh carrots to make mine. And I got this for 4,000 naira. So let's make our carrot powder with this and see what quantity of powder we will get at the end of it. And now let's make our carrot powder. We start by washing our carrots thoroughly. Wash each of the carrot thoroughly with a sponge to remove the dirt and set aside. Repeat the same process for all of them. And after washing them with sponge, we'll go ahead and peel off the skin so that there will be no dirt in our carrot powder. So to peel off the skin of the carrot, you can either use knife to peel off the skin of the carrot like this. Though it is not mandatory to peel off the skin, as the skin contains a lot of nutrients, that is why it is recommended to wash them thoroughly before slicing them. And after scraping it off, this is how it looks like. I will set aside. Another thing that you can use in peeling carrot is fruit peeler. You can also use this to gently peel off the skin from the carrot. And after peeling the carrot with fruit peeler, add it up to the other peeled one. And another thing I have here that you can also use in peeling your carrots is the top head of a kitchen grater. As you can see, there's a peeler there. So I'm going to be using this to peel the carrots. Peel gently with it and also set aside. From these three items, you can decide to use any one to peel off the skin of the carrots. After peeling the skin, I'll be setting it aside as I'll be using this for a recipe in my DIY channel. I will drop the channel link in the description of this video in case you are interested. And after peeling all the carrots and they become clean, this is how they look like. And this is also the skin we peeled off from the carrots. We'll be setting the skin aside, then go ahead and cut the carrot into smaller size. So I'll also be showing you 3 different methods of cutting a carrot into smaller size. So in the first method, I'll be cutting the carrot with a kitchen knife on a chopping board into smaller size. Make sure to cut them with a kitchen knife as flat as you can so that they can dry easily. And after cutting them into smaller size, transfer into a tray and set aside. And next to our second method. For this, we will be using a kitchen grater. As you can see, I'll be using the biggest side of the kitchen grater to grate the carrots. And after grating them, this is how they look like. Also go ahead and spread out on the tray. I'll set aside and now let's proceed to the last method. And for this, I'll be using fruit slicer. So I'll go ahead and slice the carrot with the fruit slicer. This is the one I preferred because it's faster and also makes the carrot to come out very flat. And after slicing them, transfer into a tray and spread out. As you can see, they are too much for this tray. So I'm going to be transferring some of them into another tray and spread them out properly. And once they are nicely spread out, take to the sunlight for them to dry. And after sun drying them for about 2 to 3 days, here we have them nicely dried. And now that they've become dried, add the dried carrot from the both trays together. And next, we go ahead to process them into fine powder. So we'll be needing a blender to do this. So I'll be adding some of the dried carrot into the blender and blend smoothly. So as we blend, let's discuss some of the uses and benefits of carrot powder. Carrot powder supports the immune system. It aids in digestion. It improves skin health. For skin brightening, Use as mask or scrub to improve skin tone. For culinary uses, it can serve as natural sweetener to smoothies, baked goods or soup. It is also a coloring agent by providing a natural orange color to dishes. Carrot powder is a flavor enhancer. It can easily be incorporated into drinks or recipe for added vitamins. And after blending the carrot into fine powder, transfer into a strainer to sieve it. This is to ensure that our carrot powder comes out smooth and beautiful. And after sieving, here we have the ones that are not well blended. Transfer into a blender and blend to become powder. Repeat the same process until you are done blending and sieving. And after blending and sieving, here we have our carrot powder which came out very beautiful. And now that we have it ready, let's go ahead and measure out what quantity of powder we got from our carrot. So I'll place a bowl on the digital scale, then pour in the carrot powder to measure out what quantity of powder we got from our carrot. Remember, the skin is still part of our production. In commercial production, they don't usually remove the skin because the skin still contains a lot of nutrients. So we are still going to process them into fine powder. So after measuring it, we got 388 grams of carrot powder. We'll be setting this aside, then further process the skin into powder. And so here we have our carrot powder, the dried skinned, and also the ones that were not well blended. So I'll go ahead and add the unblended one to the dried carrot skin. Then blend them into fine powder. So next I'll transfer them into a grinder, cover and blend smoothly. And after blending and it becomes smooth, also transfer into a strainer to sieve it. And after sieving it, add to the unblended one, then transfer to the grinder once again and blend into fine powder. And after blending, transfer to the strainer to sieve. Repeat this process until you are done blending and sieving all of them. And here we have it, nicely blended into fine powder. And now let's measure it out and see what we got also from the skin. My today's shout out goes to Anne Onine and Lee Smith and my wonderful family out there. I'm glad you all love the recipe, and I want to say a very big thank you to you all for your wonderful support. God bless you. If you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, kindly comment where you are watching me from in my comment section. As you can see, we got 109.8 grams of powder from the skin also. There you have it. We have a total production of 497.8 grams. And we started with raw materials of about 4,000 naira. Friends, what is your opinion about this? Is it worth the stress to make your own carrot powder at home? Or to buy ready-made carrot powder from the market? And save yourself from the stress if you think this is stressful? Let me know your opinion about this in my comment section. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. Carrot powder has a long shelf life when stored well. Please kindly like and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.